When someone asks what is the best noise cancelling true wireless stereo buds, most would probably say that it's the Sony WF-1000XM4. Let's see, or rather hear, if they're right. Hi guys, my name is Joseph and this is my unboxing and first impressions of the Sony WF-1000XM4 TWS buds. The XM4 comes in a very rigid box, making it completely safe. And according to the box, the buds have Google Assistant and Alexa support. It also features wireless high-resolution audio, up to 8 hours of playtime, plus 16 hours on the charging case, and has the industry-leading active noise cancellation. Right before opening the box, you'll find the warranty card. And inside the box is the charging case with the buds inside. We'll set it aside for now. We'll also find the paperwork. We also have spare buds for different ear sizes. And of course, the USB to USB-C cable for charging. Going back to the charging case, it has a matte finish, which feels like a smooth stone, almost like marble. It surprisingly feels nice to the touch. Inside are the XM4s, with a plastic tab to protect the charging contacts. So let's remove that now. Without it, the indicator light activates when the case is open. You can get a rough idea on how much battery it has left thanks to the light. Orange when it's low and green if it still has a lot of juice. The buds are also magnetically attached to the case, so you don't have to worry about them falling off. The buds also has the same matte finish as the case and are a bit more bulky than other buds in the market. Here's a size comparison of it to my Huawei FreeBuds 3. Upon inspecting it, you'll find a couple of mic holes on the outer side and one in the inner side. These are what helps it with its noise cancellation. There is also a sensor on the inner side which lets the device know if it's being worn or not. Now pairing it to your smartphone is just the same way as any other Bluetooth device. However, you do need to download and install the Sony Headphones app from Google Play and App Store in order to fully maximize its features. All the features of the XM4 can be tuned through the Sony Headphones app. You can also customize its touch controls, equalizer settings, ambient sound control, 360 reality audio setup, and more. Now the audio quality of the XM4 at first listen are great, and noise cancellation is phenomenal. If you are interested in how it sounds during calls or recording, here's a quick audio sample of my voice using its microphone. Now to fully test its audio quality, I would need more time with it to let it burn in. I'll write about the full experience with the buds on my in-depth review over at DavaoGeekHub.com. Link will be posted on the card above and in the description box below. For now, you can enjoy these B-rolls of the product. This has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Sony WF-1000XM4. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, do hit the like button below. And don't forget to subscribe. This has been Joseph. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.